Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning all you need to know about the future perfect tense. We use the future perfect tense to refer to something which will be done or finished by the time of speaking or by some future time. The future perfect tense has two forms, the active form and the passive form. The active form is formed by using shall have or will have plus a past participle. For example, shall have completed or will have completed. An example of the future perfect tense in a sentence. Uncle left on the 6 o'clock plane, so he will probably have reached the Eiffel Tower by now. Will have reached is in the future perfect tense in its active form. The future perfect tense also has a passive form. In its passive form, the future perfect tense is formed by using shall have been plus a past participle or will have been plus a past participle. For example, shall have been completed or will have been completed. Here's an example of the future perfect tense in its passive form. Those two men who escaped from prison will probably have been arrested by now. Have been arrested is in the future perfect tense in its passive form. Thanks for watching, guys. If you benefited from this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.